Okay, we're on the record in two cases. First case is cause number 329-106. Second case is cause number 329-188. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Dan Shelton III. Mr. Shelton was scheduled for the court's special review docket, and Mr. Monty, who is the court's bailiff, has informed the court that Mr. Shelton was it disruptive or something, Mr. Monty?
He was brought up here and he became very violent.
Okay, so they brought him back to his cell. Now we do have Mr. James McIntosh, who is his attorney of record. Mr. McIntosh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now I think this was a case we had last week where another attorney, Mr. Langston Adams, was to file a motion to substitute and an order. We looked in the file, on the e-file, he filed the motion to substitute, but there's no order there. So at this time, we'll maybe reset it another week. See if the court will get the appropriate paperwork from Attorney Adams.
So he needs
Yeah,
to,
that's fine, Judge. If it makes a difference, I did call Mr. Adams last week
Okay,
and spoke to him about it. So he knows.
okay, we'll reset it again.
Okay.
All right, and this concludes your case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You as well.
All right, thank you.
My understanding, Mr. Kilmer's on his way out here, sir.
I think Mr. Vasquez is on the line. He's on he's on Zoom on telephone. Mr. Vasquez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez, hold on a minute. Oh, here we go. Now we're on the record in cause number 329300. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Jason Corey Smith. And we have Mr. Smith who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
All right. Now, Mr. Smith, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Joe Vasquez, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Vasquez, you have an announcement you'd like to make in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Schmidt, we spoke last week when I was doing the jail run. He had a parole hold. We weren't able to consider his case because of that hold. He still has the parole hold, and we would ask the court for a reset, Your Honor.
Okay, how much time do you need?
Judge, I don't know. Whatever the court will give us, I'll check back periodically. If anything changes, I'll contact the court. Earlier, I guess 60 days.
60? That's fine. Hold on.
Your Honor, just to be clear, that Mr. Schmidt is not in custody on this case. He's got a PR bond in this case.
Oh. Okay. So, Mr. Vasquez, you're just trying to find out what's going on with the parole? Is that?
Yes, sir. And at the same time, I guess I haven't run into this situation before, Your Honor, where there was a personal recognizance bond and a parole hold at the same time. I'd like for my client to be able to earn credit for whatever this case is for the time he's been in jail.
Well,
if I'm making any sense.
yeah, but I mean, he's out on bond. I mean, technically, he's out on bond, so.
Well, then I need to get with, I guess one of the county courts and find out how the PR bond was generated.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll reset it 60 days. What's
Thank you, Your Honor.
July 8th. The case is going to be reset to July 8th of 2021.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ashley, for speaking up.
Okay.
No problem.
Mr. Smith's case is reset to July 8th, 2021. And This will conclude your case. Your attorney's gonna stay in contact with you. You may follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Vasquez, your notice of resetting will be sent to you. This will conclude your case and you have a blessed day as well.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.